Is your iPad getting so hot it's uncomfortable to hold? Maybe it's throttling your performance, dimming your screen, or even shutting down entirely. Do not panic, and definitely don't throw it in the fridge. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through every reason this happens and exactly how to fix it step by step. Let's go. A little warmth is totally normal. iPads generate heat when working hard. But if it's hot to the touch, shows a temperature warning, or feels sluggish, something's off. There are a few reasons why this happens, and we will tackle each one of them here. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so this video reaches more people. First things first, take the case off. Cases trap heat like a blanket. Set your iPad on a hard, flat, cool surface, not on a couch, cushion, or your lap. Give it 5 to 10 minutes to breathe. This alone fixes it surprising amount of the time. Next, swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double-click the home button on older models to open the app switcher. Here, swipe up on the apps you want to close. Apps running silently in the background are often the hidden culprit, especially games and video editors, so closing them from the app switcher can help fix the overheating issue. You should also check for runaway processes in settings. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on Battery, and then tap on View All Battery Usage. Here, you can see which apps and services are using your battery in the last 24 hours and previous days of the week. Say an app is using 60% of your battery, force close it and consider reinstalling it. Remember, high battery drain equals high heat. A simple restart can also fix temporary iPadOS bugs and runaway processes. To restart your iPad, press and hold the top button and either volume up or down button simultaneously. Slide to power off, wait 30 seconds and turn the iPad back on. If your iPad is extremely hot or frozen, let it cool before turning it back on. Stop charging while doing intensive tasks. Charging and gaming at the same time is a heat double whammy. Your processor is working hard and the battery is accepting charge. Both generate heat. If you are playing a demanding game or doing video editing, unplug while you work. Charge when the iPad is idle. Lower screen brightness and disable background app refresh. Swipe down from the top right corner and lower brightness. The display is one of the biggest heat generators, so turning the brightness down can help fix overheating issue. Background activity can constantly heat up the device without you noticing. To disable it, open the Settings app, go to General, then tap on Background App Refresh. Here, turn it off completely or disable it for unnecessary apps. This can significantly reduce overheating and battery drain. Outdated software can contain bugs that can cause the processor to work harder than it needs to. To update your iPad to the latest version of iPadOS, open Settings, tap on General, and here tap on Software Update and install any available updates. You should also update installed apps on your iPad. To do this, open the App Store, tap on your profile icon and update everything. Developers regularly patch exactly this kind of efficiency issues, so this can solve overheating issues on your iPad. Cheap or damaged chargers can make your iPad heat up excessively. Always use an original Apple charger or use an MFI certified charging accessories. Also check charging port for dust, bent cables and loose connections. If the iPad gets unusually hot only while charging, the charger may be the issue. Older batteries can generate more heat. To check your iPad's battery health, follow the instructions given in the description of this video. You will have to follow a workaround using the Shortcuts app to check battery health on your iPad, because Apple does not allow iPad users to check their iPad's battery health like it does on the iPhone. If your iPad's battery health is very low, battery replacement may solve overheating issues. If nothing has worked so far, a software glitch could be causing persistent overload. A factory reset can fix this issue. To do this, first back up your iPad and then go to Settings. Here tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad, then tap on Erase All Content. If overheating continues on a clean install, the issue is hardware. Book an appointment at the Apple Store or visit support.apple.com. It may be a battery issue covered under warranty. Alright, if one of those fixes fixed your iPad, drop a comment below and tell me which one was it. I love hearing that. If you're still having trouble, describe what's happening in the comments and I will try to help. And don't forget to like this video if it saved you a trip to the Apple Store. It really does help the channel. Thanks for watching.